Jax, yo, hold my beer.
Oh yeah.
Watch this.
Wish that I could stay. Wish for this moment to never go away. But it's all in my mind. And though I know that there is nothing to find, you're a beautiful sight in the summer night. And you can't put up a fight in the misty light.
Yo, what is up, you guys? This is bus life. We're parked in a Marshall's parking lot right now. About to brush my teeth, start the day. We're driving up the coast a little bit farther today. What we have planned is to pay money and go drive along this special like beach along the coast. It's gonna be pretty sweet. We're heading up to San Francisco today, but we really just need to get our day started.
But these guys are from the East Coast. Oh, yeah. We all make YouTube videos.
Enjoy it.
Yeah.
Take care.
Thanks. All right, thank you. Next up, we're on a 17-mile drive. We're waiting for it to get a little bit nicer out. I mean, it's nice out, but the sun, it's very harsh right now. So we're gonna wait around, chill out by this beach a little bit, do a little bit of editing, and a little bit later we're gonna start heading out.
What up?
What up, man?
It's a bus party.
This is the life. So a little update on what we're doing with Josh's bus. We're actually going tomorrow. We're pretty close to San Francisco. So tomorrow morning we're actually going to meet a guy from Craigslist who is selling a bus. The same exact one as Jax's bus. We're hoping it's gonna be in good condition. I mean, what do you think, Josh? Is it so far so good?
I'm on the phone with this guy. He's like, yeah, I'm on the hospital bed. I'm telling you, it's the best bus in the world. He's either a good con artist, a good liar, or he's like dead serious about this. He said it's brand new transmission because it blew before, which is actually really good if it's new. New suspension on the bus. The engine will never break, period. A 7.3 diesel on the Ford engine. You already know the deal. So we'll see how it goes, man. I'm actually feeling confident about tomorrow's bus buy. It's gonna be insane. I just never drove a bus before, and we're just gonna jump right into it. But we have people that's gonna look at the bus too before we even buy it.
So it's gonna be an interesting day tomorrow.
It's gonna be really
whether we buy a bus tomorrow or not.
Yeah, I'm just nervous in general too. Just that if I have it, like, oh, like I got a bus, like.
Then what do you do with it? You know.
Exactly. That's what we're gonna.
What are you gonna do with it if we buy it tomorrow?
I think I'm gonna. I don't know. We're gonna have it though.
We're gonna be driving 2 buses.
Oh man, it's gonna be insane.
All right, all right.
And though I know that there is nothing to find, you're a beautiful sight in the summer night.
Check that out. That is so cool.
The Lone Cypress.
Lone Cypress?
Yeah.
Josh is really good with names.
Lone Cypress.
The Lone Sacrifice.
Wait, that's just by itself?
Yeah.
Dude, it's so cool looking. Look at the light coming through there. No way.
Streets all alone, and all you can see, thinking about what you're like.
From yesterday when we were sweating to today, like a couple hours more north, the temperature change is so different. It is so cold. And I bought like 2 pairs of shorts today, 2 t-shirts. What I really need is like a sweatshirt. Whew. It is much later now, and we haven't filmed a whole lot today, so I'm gonna continue this vlog tomorrow morning. So this is where we slept last night.
This is it.
Oh, okay. I thought I was hearing cars all night. So we slept on the side of train tracks for this night. We got a lot of sleep, like 10 hours of sleep. Felt great. Woke up, it's a little chilly this morning, which is very welcome compared to the heat wave going on in LA. We're on the side of a cliff now that I'm gonna go check out. Nice and steady. Steady. Oh! Dude, there's a swing!
I know. See, dude, we can get the epic, like, picture shot, like portrait mode.
No way.
But guess what? The way down there is insane.
Is it?
Yeah. You have to go
Oh,
on
it's this. I gotta put my camera away because we're going down this route right here, this death trap of an obstacle course. I mean, there's one of two ways you can go down. You can either go down this way, or you can fall off the cliff right here. We're gonna go down this way because it seems more safe. Josh is gonna film us with the drone as we go down, but I guess we're descending now.
It's not that bad.
Last words.
That's not so bad.
Climb down into the belly of the beast.
Yeah. Okay, that's chill.
This place totally looks like a beach. It's like a secret beach, I want to call it, but I know it's not secret, but it looks like a beach where a pirate ship could be stranded, and you know, pirates are just sitting here with all their gold trying to figure out what to do. Because look at this. Look at these huge mountain walls and this graffitied up thing and this cool swing that the pirates used to use to cure their boredom. Well, I guess now is as good a time as any. We're going in.
Here's the first test. There's a wave coming in right now. Oh, Barrett almost got him. Oh, brace yourself! Oh, it's so cold! Oh man, welcome to California. Oh, there's another one. Oh, freaking cold! Go! Here it comes! Oh, you dodged it! You missed it up there. Oh man, I know.
I got splashed in the face so hard. That water is literally freezing. It is not Southern California. We're Northern California now. Oh, you gotta go up there. All right, it's all you.
Gotta be quick!
Much later, we have come out to what is called Cypress Tree Point. You can see there over there. We're about to drive through that, or not point, tunnel. It's more of a tunnel. And we're gonna drive through that with a drone going backwards as we're standing on top of this bus. We're not going to check out the bus Josh was trying to buy today because the guy's not feeling well. So apparently we're going to check it out tomorrow. If that's really the case, we'll find out. It's pretty cold right now. Josh is very smart. He's got the shorts and t-shirt combo going on. And he's trying to set up the drone. But look where we are. It's like, it's so cool and foggy. I just love how this looks.
Some spooky stuff going on.
I know, this is cool.
After a while, I'm sensing a smile.
I'm recording.
Alright.
I can't see it. I mean, I literally can't see anything.
It's all over the place. Holy, oh my god. Oh my god. It's like a freaking banshee flying out of the sky.
There you go.
After a while, I'm sensing a smile.
We have now made it out to Point Reyes Lighthouse. It's getting cold out here, but you can see all around us there is fog. We are high up. There's fog everywhere. And supposedly there's a pretty cool lighthouse and tree up here that we're gonna go photograph. Road, no through traffic.
What?
You know what that means?
These trees are body shape.
This is the way.
Don't go in there, it's a trap!
I'm going, bro. I'm going.
Dude, oh my god. It's so freaky, man.
This is like that Haunted Forest Part 2.
This is definitely like the haunted forest.
Surprised he's not falling.
This is just like that video we did last time.
This is exactly like
Kirby Cove. If you look down here, you can see the waves. They're crashing so hard. It almost looks like a storm is happening down there. I mean, it's so foggy out, like you can't see anything, but just a couple of waves on the shore. That's the lighthouse.
Yeah.
We made it.
Dude, this is...
Dude, the deer just jumped the fence. Dude, there's deer right down there.
shit.
They literally just jumped the fence. Oh my god. Guys, my camera's about to die, but this is the last thing we're seeing here. This lighthouse, so epic. We're all taking pictures here. Check out my Instagram. If you guys are looking to see some of these pictures, because we're taking some epic ones, check out my Instagram, Codybuffinton. If you're not subscribed to Jax, please subscribe to Jax. Hey! We're gonna be on a road trip with him for the next couple of weeks. So there's gonna be a lot of Jax. We're gonna be staying in his bus. So if you're not subscribed, subscribe to Jax, subscribe to me and Josh. And until next time, I'll see you guys tomorrow.